Give me that old school love right now. You know when I hold you, you won't be alone. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me. Give me that old school love right now. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me. Give me that old school love right now. Whoa.
Give me that late 80s, early 90s old school. Feeling like my second album so cool. Chirac summer looking so cruel. Looked shorty in the eye, told me it was no rules. Went to speak but was like never mind. Let my mind just sneak back to a better time when I was his age. And if he's ever mine, thinking he would only think back to this and never find better times to think back to when it comes. And he's older in the presence of somebody young, telling him the same things that he told me, and he reacts the same way as that OG. But it's old school, it's like 03, and it's old man, it's my old me. Takes a long time to happen so fast, to realize that your future is somebody else's past. What's up?
As long as you love me. Give me that old school love right now. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me. Give me that old school love right now. Whoa.
Analog, black vinyl spinning, sounding so good. Top down, can't be a classic if it's no wood. If you don't know what, then your new school. Floor model is the foundation for your YouTubes. Model flows off of Fat Boys and Juice Crews. Melly Mel's, Iced Teas, and the Two Cools. Adam O.D. and the Double L. Had to walk cause it's hard to run in those unbuckled shells. One microphone and a couple 12s. 6 drum sounds and a couple bells. Is all you had to make a couple rails. And that's a track, and if you want it, you had to make it like that. Now what's one turtle to a couple snails? Takes a long time to happen so fast, and realize your future is somebody else's past. What's up?